Question number 1. In which year were Union Territories introduced in India? The right answer is option B, 1956. Question number 2. Which of the following countries does not have a written constitution? The right answer is option B, New Zealand. Question number 3. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? The right answer is option B, representative. Question number 4. Right to privacy comes under which article? The right answer is option B, Article 21. Question number 5. Which among the following is the first state to establish Panchayat Raj? The right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Question number 6. Who was the Prime Minister when right to property was scrapped as a fundamental right? The right answer is option B, Morarji Desai. Question number 7. What is the tenure of the chairperson of National Human Rights Commission? The right answer is option A, 3 years. Question number 8. Article 32 belongs to which part of the Indian Constitution? The right answer is option A, part 3. Question number 9. Which of the following constitutional amendments provided for the right to education? The right answer is option A, 86 Amendment Act. Question number 10. Where is the National Institute Agriculture Marketing located? The right answer is option B, Jaipur.